Unless you're a fan of moldy food, IFM is just for you. Their temperature and flow sensors regulate the temperatures of your favorite foods and beverages so that they have wonderful flavors that you're so accustomed to. These devices are used in a range of different fields. The fields include automotive and technology manufacturers and by engineers building bridges. You can find their product in airports, warehouses, transformers, and even garbage trucks.
We spoke to Brian Nealis, a project manager, John Harper, an electrical engineer, and Dennis Constantino, a manufacturing manager, to find out more about their company. They shared with us that the motto of IFM is close to you, which is accomplished by thoroughly communicating with their customers. The whole process starts with the sales team, who meets with the customer to determine their criteria. From there, the design team works out a blueprint, which is then brought to life by the manufacturing team. The products at IFM always go above and beyond customer requirements. They are low maintenance and execute self-checks that ensure your products are kept in an optimal temperature, a tradition IFM has proudly had for 52 years.
When COVID struck, IFM didn't miss a beat. They altered their manufacturing lines, staggered shift times, and incorporated bracelets that track points of contact so the customers could continue to receive the products that are so desperately needed around the globe. This is just one more example of how IFM is constantly focused on the safety of their employees and those that rely on the product.